Welcome to the 13th module of chapter Light. In this module, we are going to study what is refraction. Light seems to travel along straight line in transparent medium, right? But what happens when light enters from one transparent medium to another? Does it still move along the same path? Or will it change its direction? Let us see some daily life examples to understand and answer the above questions. When a pencil is partly immersed in water, it appears to be broken at the interface of air and water. A clear pool of water always appears to be shallower than it actually is. A coin placed at the bottom of a beaker containing water seems to be raised. When a thick glass slab is placed over some printed matter, the letters appear raised when viewed through the glass slab. Why does this happen? Let us understand the reason with the help of an activity. Let us consider a water tumbler and a pencil. When the pencil is partly immersed in water in the glass tumbler, it appears bent or broken to the observer. We know for a fact that the pencil is not at all broken or bent. It just appears to be so. In this case, the light reaching the observer from the portion of the pencil inside water seems to be coming from a different direction compared to the part above water. This makes the pencil appear to be displaced at the interface. Does the pencil appear to be displaced at the same extent if instead of water we use liquids like kerosene or turpentine? Will the letters appear to rise to the same height if we replace a glass slab with a transparent plastic slab? You will find that the extent of the effect is different for different pair of media. These observations indicate that light does not travel in the same direction in all the media. When a light ray travels from one optical medium to another, it suffers a change of direction at the surface of separation of the two media. This is known as refraction. So we can define refraction as the change in the direction of light ray when it travels from one medium to another. Let us understand this in detail with the help of another activity. For this activity, we require a bowl, coin and water. Place a shallow bowl on the table and put a coin in it. Move away slowly from the bowl. Stop when the coin just disappears from your sight. Ask your friend to pour water gently into the bowl without disturbing the coin. Keep looking for the coin from your position. Does the coin become visible again from your position? Yes. Now repeat the activity with the help of one more bowl and a coin. Take two bowls having coins in it. Slowly move away from the bowl. Stop when the coin just disappears from your sight. Ask your friend again to pour water into one of the bowl without disturbing the coin. Keep looking to the coin. You can see that coin has appeared in the bowl where water has been poured. The coin becomes visible again on pouring water into the bowl because the coin appears slightly raised above its actual position due to the refraction of light. Whereas in the bowl containing only the coin, refraction has not undergone. So coin appears to be raised because of the bending of the ray of light happened when it passes through water and then to air. So in this module, you have studied what is refraction. Go through the module. Thank you.